The 2026 Mitsubishi Delica Mini is a compact van that combines the practicality of a kei-car with the rugged design and adventurous spirit of an SUV. Designed for city dwellers who love weekend getaways, it offers a unique blend of efficiency, versatility, and bold styling. At under 3.4 meters in length, it fits easily into tight urban spaces, yet it carries a surprising amount of interior room and functionality. Mitsubishi has drawn inspiration from the larger Delica models to create a minivan that feels ready for exploration while remaining accessible for everyday driving. Under the hood, the Delica Mini is powered by a 658 cubic centimeters three-cylinder engine, available in both naturally aspirated and turbocharged forms. The turbo version delivers a peppy 64 horsepower, paired with a CVT transmission and a mild hybrid system that provides an extra electric boost. Buyers can choose between front-wheel drive and a capable all-wheel drive system that enhances grip on slippery or uneven roads. While it's not an off-roader in the traditional sense, its elevated ground clearance and suspension tuning make it more rugged than most vehicles in its class. Inside, the cabin of the Delica Mini is surprisingly spacious. It's been designed to make the most of its compact dimensions, with a high roofline, sliding rear seats, and clever storage options throughout. The rear seats slide and recline independently, providing a flexible setup for both passengers and cargo. Despite its size, 4 adults can sit comfortably, and the rear sliding doors make entry and exit in tight parking spots a breeze. The upholstery is stain-resistant and water-repellent, perfect for active lifestyles, while the rear floor is flat and easy to clean, ideal for transporting gear or pets. In terms of technology, the Delica Mini doesn't feel stripped down. It features a large 9-inch infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. The higher trims include USB-C ports, a panoramic roof, ambient lighting, and keyless entry. Safety is another area where Mitsubishi has gone all in. The van includes its e-assist system as standard, which packs advanced safety features like automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and even a driver attention alert system. The Mi Pilot Assist package adds highway driving support and helps reduce driver fatigue on longer journeys. From the outside, the Delica Mini stands out with its chunky bumpers, body cladding, and roof rails that echo its full-size sibling's off-road image. LED headlights, bold two-tone paint options, and skid plate-style accents give it a personality that's missing from most vehicles in this segment. It doesn't just look the part. Owners report that it feels more stable and confident on rough or unpaved roads compared to traditional city cars. Reception in Japan has been overwhelmingly positive. Even before official sales began, thousands of units were pre-ordered, with a strong preference for the AWD and premium-grade models. Buyers appreciate its combination of compact footprint and outdoor-ready character. The Delica Mini has also earned accolades, including the Design Car of the Year award from Japan's Car of the Year Committee, highlighting its smart use of form and function. Overall, the 2026 Mitsubishi Delica Mini is a fresh and functional option in the growing market for micro-sized vans. With clever packaging, go-anywhere styling, real-world utility, and a strong set of features, it delivers much more than expected from a K-Class vehicle. Whether used for commuting, shopping runs, or weekend escapes, the Delica Mini fits modern lifestyles with charm and confidence.